Okay, so I've already disposed of all of the tub and plastic components from the washer. And this is what's left over, all the electronic, well, to call this electronics is generous. Switches and wiring and startup capacitor for the motors. And then this is what I'm after here. This is actually the pump from the old one to evacuate the water. So I'm going to take this. It is a AC pump, 120 volts, and I should be able to use this to drain the water out of the new one that I didn't realize doesn't come with a pump. So we're going to make something today and upgrade our new washer. All right, going to make sure that she works here. We got the pump on the bench. Hooked up to our power supply. Give us AC power here. Variable output so I can start it slow. Power it up, 0 volts, and all right, started up at about 60 volts. All right, there's 110. Yep, she's running just fine. So, tested, works. Okay, this is a little silly looking, but it should work. I've got a little pail here. Got my pail pump. Little switch. See, we're at about 110 volts there. Pump's running. We're good. All right, made a little bit of a mess, but I've got sort of roughly plumbed in, sort of proof of concept here. And I got it plugged into power, sitting in a puddle of water. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to put a little water in. Tub here, so we got an inch of water in there. I'm going to open the drain. And turn on the pump. Yeah, that's quicker. All right, so obviously, obviously got to button up the plumbing a little bit, but it works. Ah, good thing it's in a bucket. Yeah. All right. Well, I'll fix that up a little bit neater, and then I should be able to bring this back down to ground level here so that it can sit just on the floor. Okay, so we're going to fill it up a little bit. Put some water in. That doesn't need to be much. That's probably enough. All right, I'm going to turn on the pump. And I'm going to open the drain. Sitting directly on the floor here. You can hear the pump is getting water. Appears the level is going down. And it has pretty much evacuated all of the water. And that seems to be all she can pump. So I'm going to turn it off. Seems to make a little bit of a burp at the end. right, well, proof of concept, it works. So that means I'm going to be able to keep this on the floor instead of up on top of that toolbox. That'll be better.